Hey everybody, it's Renee here, and we are going to make a fun art journal page using our big art journal. We're going to use the watercolor paper. We're going to use this image of rice paper, some modeling paste, the 49 Market tape, some stencils, some gel medium, and some other stuff. So stick around and we're going to have some fun. So this is my creation I made using rice paper and the products I showed you. I wanted to make one a little bit more on the messy side and add little elements to this project. I hope you like this. I will be making some that you guys that don't like to get dirty will probably really enjoy coming soon. And I will be doing some projects with collage as well. This one I found a little bit difficult to do it in the book next to this page just because the burlap kept coming into the page. So yeah, you really have to work around it and try and play around, and it's hard not to get it onto that side. I don't do a lot of one-page art journal projects, but I really like this one because every page is different. So like the next one will be this, the other side of this, the back side, and this is muslin. So this is going to be a fun one to work with. I would love to know your comments if you've ever worked with one like this as well. I had fun with it. You could add more, but less is sometimes more, right? You don't want to get too carried away. I just wanted to have some fun with my stencils and the rice paper and the paints. And I had fun with this one. So anyways, I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification and all. And love your comments, so I welcome comments. And I hope you have fun and take time to take some crafty time and feed your soul. Have an awesome day, everybody.